Alright, these are my new PrunePro garden shears, pruning shears. I'm going to try them out, see how they work. Nice, has a locking feature and a spring. They look nice and sharp. Alright, let's see what they'll do. Alright, we've got this tree coming up where I really don't want it. Need to do some cleaning out. This guy looks like a maple tree, and oh, that's nice. We can get ready for the saw. Cut this one down. Yeah, these are nice, very sharp. Let's see how thick we can do. That wasn't too hard. Go thicker. Wow, nice, very nice. Alright, those work pretty good. Those are my new pruning shears, and we will be doing a lot of jobs with those.